Hello learners. Okay, so in today's morning pre-work, what we are going to do is we are going to do a new page of our workbook. Okay, so we are going to do the goal setting page. आज हम goal setting वाला page करेंगे हमारे workbook का. Okay, so till now we have covered the first two parts of our student vision scale. हमने हमारे स्टूडेंट विजन स्केल का फर्स्ट टू पार्ट्स वी हैव कवर्ड एंड वी हैव प्लेस्ड आवरसेल्व्स on the student vision scale. We've said that, okay, Didi, I am on level 2 right now, or I am on level 3, or I am in between level 2 and 3. We've done that. Right? Now we're going to set a goal, which is a learning goal. Okay. And this goal is for the next 6 months. So it's not for the next exam or in the next month, but it's for the next 6 months. And we are setting this goal, learning goal. We're thinking about it for each subject. Okay. And then we are also breaking that goal down into smaller goals. Okay. So one big goal, and we are breaking that down into smaller goals. So Didi is going to teach you how to do it for one subject. Okay. One example I will give you, and then you will do for all subjects. So for English, Maths, Science, SST, Hindi, and Marathi, you're going to be setting goals for all of them, right? And SST may, yes, you will include history and geography. Okay, so let's start with English. Okay, suppose you're setting a goal for your English subject. So what you can say is that I will, your big goal can be that, अगर आपका RC level अभी level 2 है, so I will grow from RC level 2 to RC level 3. Okay, so this is my big goal. Now, what are my smaller goals? I will write my smaller goals over here. I will read 150 pages in the next 6 months. So in the next 6 months, I will complete reading 150 pages on my own. Okay, Didi is giving example only. Okay, then maybe I can also think about what are some other things that I can do so that my RC level can actually improve. I will complete my RC worksheets at least 4 times a week. Okay, so this is my homework target. Okay, then I will speak in English in class, and I will always practice writing in my diary every day. ये मैंने क्या किया? I broke down my goal into smaller goals, that I will complete 150 pages of a book on my own. I will complete RC worksheets at least 4 times a week. I will speak in English in class. So what am I doing? I'm taking a big goal and then I'm breaking it down into smaller goals. Okay. So this is how you can go about putting your goals on your workbook. Let's do it for one more subject. Let's do it for maths also. I suppose mera maths ka marks right now are 45%. Okay. So I'll go from 45% to 60% in math. This is my big goal. Now, what can be some of my smaller goals? I will learn tables till 20 properly. Okay, so मुझे सारी table याद हो जाएंगी. That can be my first goal. I will finish my maths worksheet at least 4 times a week. Right? Then you can also say that I will put up a maths chart for all important math terms, right? So अगर हमारे terms होते हैं in math, we have things like angles, we have different kinds of lines. So I'll make a chart and I will put that chart on my wall so that I remember all the important terms. So what am I doing? And then maybe another goal can be, I will prepare for a maths quiz. And अगर मुझे ये करना है तो मैं ऐसे भी कर सकती हूँ, I will prepare for a maths quiz in my school. So or I can prepare for a maths Olympiad. So there are a lot of Olympiads or quizzes जो होते हैं उन बच्चों के लिए who are interested in doing more and more. तो अगर आपको लगता है if you want to really work hard and do something great in math, maybe you can also write that as a goal. Okay, so what is Didi doing? Didi is making a big goal and then Didi is breaking it down into smaller goals. Okay, then what are some things that you have to do? कौन सी ऐसी चीजें जो आपको करनी पड़ेंगी ताकि आपका गोल आपसे अचीव हो पाए? Okay, this you will do now for SST and science also. You'll do it for English, math, science, SST. You can first write all your goals in your notebook. Okay, and then you can then show it to Didi, get feedback. Once you have feedback, you can write it on your workbook. Okay, so this is your pre-work. You will come in with this pre-work in the online class and then we will discuss and we'll share feedback. Thank you.